progress of reaction. What is the phenomena behind this thin layer chromatography? Can anybody tell? क्या होता है बेटा thin layer chromatography? क्या चेक करते हैं उससे? We can check the purity of your compound, or you can check the reaction is completed or not. If your reaction is completed, it means you will get single spot on thin layer chromatography plate. Okay, there is no not any impurity present in that spot. Okay, you spot means you are checking the RF value. What is the mean of spots? You are checking the retardation factor of every reactant. Understood? There is some different RF for benzaldehyde. What do you mean by RF? Distance traveled by solute upon distance traveled by solvent. As a solvent, we are using mixture of benzene ethyl acetate, or you can also use the different percentage of benzene ethyl acetate. 50-50%. You can use benzene ethyl acetate in 80-20%. Okay, you can change the ratio. This is your solvent medium. Okay, in this you have to dip your TLC plate by putting all these spots of reactants. You have taken benzaldehyde, you have taken ethyl acetoacetate, and you have taken urea. Okay, so you have to take small amount of all these reactants and you have to individually dissolve in some amount of ethanol, and you have to take this solution with the help of capillary, and you have to put spot on your TLC plate. TLC plate क्या होती है बच्चों? ग्लास प्लेट पर हम सिलिका जेल की थिन लेयर लगाते हैं. दिस इज कॉल्ड TLC plate. Okay, and you have to put spots on this. Okay, then after this, fourth spot is of your product. Okay, by this you can check the progress of reaction. If RF value is different, if your product's RF value is different and color and nature is also different from reactant, it means your reaction is completed. Understood? That's why we are using thin layer chromatography for this purpose. Okay, now the reaction is completed. Completely you can see that your reaction is completed now, है ना? दिख रहा है आपको? व्हाइट किए थे हमने and color is changed. You can observe that now your reaction is completed. But how can we check this by TLC? You have to put the spots of reactant. With this you have to put the spot of your product. Understood? इसके बाद क्या करेंगे बच्चों? You have to add ethanol in this, है ना? इथेनॉल में फिर क्या होगा ये? After some time you will see that this compound becomes solid. आपका solidify हो जाएगा, इसके crystals आ जाए. You will get the crystals of your. Okay, then you have to filter it. आप filter करने में you have to wash it for recrystallization. Recrystallization purpose you have to add some drops of ethanol also in this. Okay, and when it becomes dry, you will get the DHT lamp. You can wait. Clear? समझ में आ गई बच्चों? तो पहले का बना हुआ पड़ा है हमारा. दिखाओ. अभी इसमें turbidity आ रही है. It means after some time you will get the product. Understood? Is there any doubt? बच्चों किसी को कोई डाउट है? समझ में आया कैसे किया हमने? जो हमारा